Hello, everybody. My name is Deepthi. I'm founder director of Kids Adda. During this lockdown period, we have been conducting a lot of online classes, art and craft, cooking, baking, music, quite a few other classes. And now we have also collaborated with Sangeeta Shala, who are going to commence Shloka and Carnatic music classes for the patrons of Kids Adda. So today, just to know a bit about the program, we are going to have a quick tete-a-tete session with Mrs. Rachna Pawan, Director of Sangeeta Shala. She's been running a music school, this music school for a long time now, and she's also a coveted supermom of Bangalore. So she's happy to spread her knowledge to the network of Kids Adda now. So Rachna, can you tell us why shlokas and why Carnatic music to start with?
Hi and namaste everybody. Sure, I'll let you know. So we know that the classical language of India is Sanskrit, and all the shlokas are verses from Sanskrit language, largely from Bhagavad Gita and the Mahabharata, Ramayana, and Puranas. Chanting shlokas have a lot of physical, mental, and emotional influence on our body and mind. It helps to work on the intellectual part of the mind, like it sharpens the thinking since our mind is alert when we chant. While we chant, we focus on breathing, and hence the oxygen supply to the brain is enhanced and can help improve concentration, focus, and enthusiasm of the brain. There are also other benefits of chanting. It energizes the brain, helps in healing, helps stress management, soothes the mind, gives flexibility to speech, bring positive vibes, anger management. So scientifically, recent studies re-established that the rhythmic singing will create effects in the body known as neuro-linguistic effect, that is NLE, which is possible when the child does not know the meaning of the music piece and is chanting. Also, physio-linguistic effect, which is PLE, which occurs when sung with the meaning. So NLE and PLE together will enhance the release of certain chemicals which help to cure the ailments in the body. While we chant or sing, endorphins are released, which helps to boost the metabolic process in the body and it relieves the pain in the body. All shlokas carry message, and once we start learning, we will start enjoying them, and subconsciously we keep chanting them.
Fantastic. That is so nice to know about how shlokas and Carnatic music actually helps children and in their daily activities. So quickly, we would like to know about what is it that children can expect from your shloka and Carnatic classes. How many months of the program do you recommend to start with, and what is it that they take back?
Sure. So we are starting batches for shlokas and Carnatic music. Firstly, shloka chanting is a basic course which is for 4 months that the children will be learning the shlokas and they can use them on the daily basis, knowing their importance. And we are also starting off the Carnatic music course, which is for the beginners. That is also 4 months course, which will further be extended when which is actually needed, consisting of the introduction to the ragas, swaras, sarale varse, tala systems, thais, alankara, ritams, bhajans, and a lot more. So these are the two programs that we are starting off.
That is great. So this will be weekly twice, is it?
Yes, this will be weekly twice, 2 sessions per week, so monthly it will be 8 sessions.
Great. All right. So what is your vision, Rachna?
Um, my aspiration is to empower every kid and not let anyone be deprived of the individual power of our ancient musical vibrations across the nation. So I think it's really important.
That is very nice to know. So here we have Rachna giving us a glimpse of what kind of program she's going to run, the Shlokas and Carnatic music classes, which we will be starting as Kids Adda online classes very soon. To know more, please check the comments if you're using Facebook or if it's on WhatsApp. Please call us on 8105 888 222, and we will give you more information about that. that. We also have a Kids Adda community WhatsApp group. I would encourage you all to join that, because all the discussion about the programs that we are going to have will be in the group itself. So look forward to having all the kids learn the rich culture of our nation, the shlokas and Carnatic music. And thank you very much, Rachna, for joining us. And it is great having a chat with you about this program. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepti. Thank you, everybody.